In this video, we'll show you how to use QuizMe, our AI-powered multiple-choice quizzing tool. Note that you'll need to make sure you've transcribed your audio recording first before using this feature. To launch the quiz, just click on the QuizMe icon in the toolbar. Start the quiz, and a set of 5 multiple-choice questions will be generated automatically based on the content of your recording. Simply click the answer you think is correct, and the next question will appear. If you get a question wrong, you'll see a little cross appear next to the answer you selected. And of course, the correct answer will also be revealed with a small tick next to it. Once you've answered all 5 questions, you'll see your results, and a summary of how you did will appear. You can see what you got right and, importantly, review what you got wrong. When you're finished, you can retake the same quiz, or you can generate a new quiz with a different set of questions.